Now let us consider the last topic of this chapter of redox reaction. Standard electrode potential E0 value of the electrode potential. Now there is one word always coming in this topic, that is couple. Here what is the couple or redox couple? What is redox couple? Redox couple means a metal strip or metal rod dipped into its salt solution. For example, copper rod dipped into the copper sulfate solution. Now this is also the redox couple. Zinc rod dipped into the zinc sulfate solution. This is the redox couple, and so on. Now see here, what is given into the standard potential for your 11 standard. Now first see the definition of the standard electrode potential. There is only electrode potential also, and there is standard electrode potential also. But the standard electrode potential has some conditions. What is that condition? What is the definition of standard electrode potential? When concentrations of each species means the salt solution, their concentrations taking part into the electrode reaction is unity. Unity means what? 1 molar. When the concentrations of the salt solutions are taken as 1 molar, that means 1 molar copper sulfate solution, 1 molar zinc sulfate solution, 1 molar HCl, but concentration must be unity, that is 1 mole. This is the first condition. When concentration of each species taking part into the electrode reaction is unity and the temperature is about 298 Kelvin, that is 25 degrees centigrade, then the observed potential of that electrode is called as the standard electrode potential. See here the definition again, which is very important. When concentration of each species taking part into the electrode reaction is unity 1 molar and the temperature is about 298 Kelvin, that is 25 degrees centigrade, 273 plus 25, 293 Kelvin. Then the observed electrode potential is called as the standard electrode potential, and it is denoted by E0. This 0 means standard and only E means that is not standard, the electrode potential. Now arbitrarily by convention, the E0 value of hydrogen electrode, which is the gas electrode, and the solution of H plus ion, it may be that is 1 molar solution of HCl. Now this solution, if we dip the gas hydrogen electrode into that, then it is called as the standard hydrogen electrode, and temperature is maintained at about 298 Kelvin. Now that electrode is called as the standard hydrogen electrode, and its standard electrode potential arbitrarily taken as 0. I first explain you what is this SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. This is very important. But you have in 12th standard also, there is the construction of standard hydrogen electrode. How the gas electrode then prepared? We do not prepare the rod of gas or strip of gas. Then how the gas electrodes are prepared? Hydrogen electrode means we should dip the hydrogen gas into the H plus ion solution or hydrogen salt solution. Okay. Now how the gas electrodes are prepared? Gas electrodes are prepared in this way. Let us pay attention here. First, a platinum wire is taken. Platinum is the inert metal. So it do not have any action if we dip into the hydrogen salt solution or hydrogen ion solution. Now on that platinum wire there is the platinum coil is that is attached to that platinum wire, platinum coil have to attach, and on that platinum coil there is adsorption of platinum black first. Now see, in this way, now I draw that is the horizontal platinum wire here, not vertical, because now let us see here. Now this is the platinum wire. Now attach the platinum coil to that and adsorb or cover this platinum coil with platinum black. Why? Because the hydrogen gas we have to bombard through this jacket, your hydrogen gas through this jacket on this platinum black, the hydrogen gas get adsorbed on that, and that dip is into the H plus ion solution. Now this is the standard hydrogen electrode. In this way the gas electrodes are prepared. Now the arbitrarily, the value arbitrarily means nearly equal to, okay, arbitrarily means nearly equal to, the value of E0 hydrogen is taken as 0.0 volt, which is not the correct, but it is nearly correct, okay. And this hydrogen electrode is used as the reference electrode. What is mean by reference electrode? From that electrode potential of hydrogen electrode, we can measure the electrode potential of any electrode by coupling it with the hydrogen electrode. Then the total electrode potential which obtained into the voltmeter is definitely of the another electrode, because the voltage of hydrogen is 0.0. We should add the both voltage. But if the voltage is completely of the another electrode, because the electrode of hydrogen electrode is 0.0, and in this way we can measure the electrode potential of any other different electrodes from that of the hydrogen electrode, and so the hydrogen electrode is called as the primary reference electrode. Now see here, and in short, how it is denoted? Standard hydrogen electrode. SHE means standard hydrogen electrode, and we can determine the E0 value of other electrodes from that. Now that is called as the standard hydrogen electrode. Now see the significance or importance of the E0 values, that means standard electrode values. These are very important. In the last lecture I tell you that in the EMF series, hydrogen is at the center and the most reactive metals electrode are below the hydrogen, and less reactive metal electrodes are above the hydrogen in the EMF series. EMF series means electromotive force series, in which the electrode potential are given and electrode reactions are also given. So always the elements which are more reactive below the hydrogen, they have the negative electrode potential. Now in electromotive force series, the electrode potential are the reduction potential and not the oxidation potential. There are two types of potential, reduction also and oxidation. But in EMF series, reduction potentials are taken. So what is the first very important point or significance? The electrode reaction considered for the electrode potential is the reduction reaction and not the oxidation reaction. Remember, in MCQ, this may be asked you for 1 mark. Which type of potential is taken as the standard electrode potential? That is the reduction potential, not oxidation potential. Now the second point is also very important. The negative E0 value means redox couple is a stronger reducing agent than the standard hydrogen electrode. Negative redox potentials are where? To the below of the in the EMF series. So the elements which are below the hydrogen, which have the more negative electrode potential, they are the stronger reducing agent. There is MCQ on this point also. These are very important points. The electrodes which are having the larger negative electrode potential are dash dash stronger reducing elements or stronger reducing agents. Now third point is that larger the negative value means the redox couple is strongest reducing agent. Now this is already I tell you. The element which is below in the EMF series, I think that is a lithium is there. Lithium is the alkali metal which is also very reactive metal, alkali metal, and it have the very large E0. Large E0 means magnitude is larger but sign is negative. That means there are the larger negative value. Now that is, though the negative sign is there, but the magnitude will be also larger. That is larger electrode potential into that case. That is the reducing agent. And more positive value E0 means the redox couple is stronger oxidizing agent. That means above the hydrogen. They may be non-metals or metals also. Non-metal means fluorine, iodine, etc. But metals of platinum, gold, such type of metals which are inert metals, which do not undergo reduction readily. They undergo the reduction readily. They undergo reduction readily, but they oxidize the other, such as alkali metals, alkaline earth metal, and so these platinum, gold, or non-metal fluorine, iodine electrodes, their couple is called as the stronger oxidizing agent because they oxidizes another, but they themselves get reduced. Remember that. And here I give you that the alkali metal have the high negative value of E0, and they are stronger reducing agent, and non-metal fluorine and some metal platinum and gold have the larger positive value, and they are the stronger, that is the oxidizing agent. Now this is about the significance of the E0 value, that is standard electrode potential value.